What's up, everybody? Today we're going to take the Suburban out for a little cruise. We gotta go to Harbor Freight, pick up a brake line tubing bender, because we're going to try, hopefully don't fail, but we're going to try to remove and bypass the ABS brake system on the BMW. Try. Heat up the glow plugs. Come on. It's been a while since it's been started. There we go. Hopefully not too much road noise or wind noise, you know. This is the first time I've had it out, like really good driving, since I put the drop spindles on it. I've drove it, you know, up and down the road right in front of my house, you know, once or twice. But actually, like, out at speed cruising is the first time. One thing I do like about it is I can ride it a lot lower now. It's a lot better. So far, no issues. Let's hope it keeps that way. Alright, so I made it back home with the Suburban. I'm gonna go over it later, just check it out, make sure everything's fine on it. But drove pretty good, so should be nothing wrong, but I'm still gonna go over the whole front suspension where I tore it all apart, just double check it. Alright, now let's get on with the brake part of this, which I'm gonna do. So this is either gonna be a win or a fail video. So here's my tubing bender that I just picked up for Harbor Freight for like $7. Then my T-fittings, because what we're going to do is we're going to remove the anti-lock brake system on this. Alright, so there, this is the whole anti-lock brake system right here. We're going to remove this, save more weight. Then we got the T-fitting. So basically, these two right here are the brake fitting lines in from the brake master cylinder. Then these are the four going to the tires. So we're going to put in and out. So hopefully all this fits. I don't think it will though, because I think the two ends and these two outs here and here are bigger than this. So, well, let's give it a try. Alright. Get all these broke loose. And then, of course, you know, spill brake fluid all over everything. Oh hey, nothing came out. Yeah, if they don't fit, then I'm going to have to get either another T or some fittings that can join all this together, because I want this whole system gone. Because with the new brake system, just doesn't apply, doesn't need it. I got rid of the other stuff, so. Plus, this is more weight. Alright, got all of these disconnected, so all 6 of them are off. Now, I think there's just 2 bolts holding the box in. Then there's probably, of course, you know, a wire connection in there too. Alright, so I got it all out. That big ABS piece of crap. was actually kind of hard because of the lines, you know, in the way, but got it all out. And here it is. Actually weighs, you know, probably close to 10 pounds. I mean, it's actually really heavy. Alright, now here's where we're either going to win or fail. And I'm thinking it's going to fail, because I want these two on here and this one on there, like that. And this one, I already can tell it's too big. So let's just see. This one, as my camera falls over. This one right here screws in fine, no issue. So this one will screw in fine also. But this one, yeah, as I was expecting, too big. And I know the holes on here are, what the hell is it? It's like 10 millimeter. And so these ones are bigger. So I'm guessing, I don't know, 12 millimeter probably. So I guess I'm gonna have to order me some new fittings. See if I can find, like, you know, ones that have 212s and 110 or whatever, because I need to get that put back together, get the brakes, then I can start bleeding the brakes. Well, guess this is a fail video and didn't get much accomplished. Oh well. Alright, see you in the next one.